Hello and welcome guys. In this short and basic video, I'm gonna show you how to fix webcam not working in your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC or laptop. So just you have to try this two method. First one, click on Start, then Settings, open Settings. Now here click on Privacy, click on Camera, turn on Allow apps to access your camera. Now here turn on this setting, allow desktop apps to access your camera. Second method you can try. So this is the first method. So it's the first method. Just you have to turn on these both settings. And second method you can try. Click on Start. Search here Device Manager. This one, open it. Now here expand cameras. Right click on your webcam camera. Update driver. Search automatically. Now close it and restart. Still you are facing problem. So again come back here, then uninstall this device. You have to uninstall camera driver. Now click on Action. Now here click on Scan for hardware changes. So you will see your camera driver is written again. Now close it and restart. So hopefully guys, using this simple and easy method we can fix and resolve webcam not working in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method and this method work for you or not.